Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be cleaning the DPF filter on this Vauxhall Signum. It's the same procedure for Vauxhall Vectra and Vauxhall Insignia. We are using a 17mm socket, I mean the spanner, to undo the DPF sensor. This is located under body, right where the handbrake lever is, in the middle, and we're just gonna undo this nut, which is coming off fairly easily. We didn't have to apply much force on it. There we go, friends. We're just gonna pull it out. So that's the DPF sensor. So we're using a Motip DPF cleaner, um, aerosol, to clean the DPF. We got this from our local shop. Okay, so we're gonna empty the whole aerosol in it. So here we go. We are inserting the dispenser pipe into the DPF. Okay, so we're gonna empty the whole canister in there. But make sure that before you use that aerosol can, you shake it nicely so that all the fluid comes out nicely. There we go. So we're going to empty the whole canister. Right, whenever you empty the canister, make sure that it's upright. We just done a mistake. It should have been upright, but it's okay, still working fine. All the fluid coming out nice and uh, easily. This car was struggling uh, with the smoke, uh, and the car wouldn't go over 30 miles per hour. It was in a limp mode, so we thought we give it a go with this DPF cleaner, and hopefully that's gonna do the magic. So there's still liquid in it, which is coming out, as you can see in the pipe. Make sure you empty the whole aerosol can into it. There we go, friends. That's the whole aerosol can finished. So now we're gonna clean the DPF sensor. Okay, it's clogged up with the carbon, so we're just gonna tap it on the canister, get all the muck out, and also we're gonna give it a good clean with the spray. There we go. That's where we are inserting the DPF sensor back into the DPF. Always hand tighten the nut. And once you know, it's hard to tighten anymore with the hand, with the fingers. So that's when we are using the spanner on it, 17mm spanner, as I mentioned before. There we go, friends. That's nice and tight. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to leave the car stationary for 15 minutes, and then we're going to take it for a spin, and um, we're going to drive it on motorway at high speed. So hopefully that's going to clean the DPF filter, and the light will disappear from the dashboard. Okay, nice and easy, fairly easy job. Anyone can do it at home. Okay, doesn't have to go to professionals for this job. Thank you very much for watching the video.